Hi students, it's Miss Kate. This is page 6 in your new interchange student book. And what we have here is a type of sentence that has two clauses. Now, if you remember from the first lesson, a clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. So we have two parts of a sentence connected together. Each part has a subject and a verb. So we have a total of two subjects and two verbs. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is called it clauses plus adverbial clauses with when. Okay, so what we have is two clauses. On the left, here's a clause. I like it. We're not finished, okay? We do have a subject and a verb, so that's a clause. I like it when, and now we need to continue with another subject and verb. A teacher is helpful and supportive. Okay, so we have an it clause, so it contains the word it, and then we have, this is called an adverbial clause. It starts with an adverb and it's a clause, and the specific adverb we're using is the word when. Okay, I don't mind it when a friend visits without calling me first. Okay, if you're not sure what I don't mind means, that it means it's okay. All right, so it means it's okay when a friend visits. All right, and this one, I can't stand it when a child screams in a restaurant. Now this phrase, when you can't stand something, it means you hate something. Okay, so that's what that means. Now, there would be no space in a real sentence. Just put it together. It's one sentence, not two. Okay? Now, here's another way to use an it clause. Instead of putting the word it after the verb, you can put it at the beginning of the sentence. Make it the subject of the clause. It makes me happy when people do nice things for no reason. Or, it bothers me when my doctor arrives late for an appointment. It upsets me when a close friend forgets my birthday. So when something upsets you, it means it makes you a little like sad or maybe even kind of angry. Upset could be either of those things or both. Okay, so just make sure in your clause you have a subject and a verb. Okay, so you have to have a subject and a verb over here, and a subject and a verb over here following when. So if we look at some of the examples, it says, how do you feel about these situations? Complete the sentences with it clauses from the list. Okay, so we can't do this in class, so let me just do a few with you. Okay, so we're missing the first part of the sentence. Number 1, when someone gives me a compliment. Now, a compliment is when someone says something nice about you, like, oh, I love your shirt, or, oh, you look so nice today. That's a compliment. So most people like that, so we're going to look for something positive. So you could say, I love it. I love it when someone gives me a compliment. You could say, I like it. You could say, it makes me happy. So generally, most people like this. So you would use one of the positive phrases. Okay. Number 2, when I get phone calls on my birthday. Again, a lot of people like that. That's usually a good thing. So we would look for one of these phrases. We can use any of these because they have a positive meaning. Number 3, when a stranger asks me for money. Okay, now everybody feels different about this situation, so it depends on you. Some people are okay, some people don't like it. So if you want to say, I don't mind it, that means it's okay. You could put that, I don't mind it. If it bothers you, you could use one of these. I don't like it. It really upsets me. It annoys me. I can't stand it. Okay? So any of those. Let me do one more. Okay, when people call me late at night. All right, so young people, you might not mind. Older people, we don't want phone calls at night. So my answer would be, I don't like it when people call me late at night. But maybe if you're younger, you stay up late, maybe you would say, I don't mind it, or I like it, okay? So these are just a few examples. So this is a type of sentence where you have two clauses, and one of your clauses begins with the word when, and it describes the situation. Okay, that's all for that lesson, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.